Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be continuing the series Caribbean Queen. So Caribbean Queen is where we take a look at the amazing accomplishment of the beautiful women of the Caribbean, whether it's in entertainment like music, whether it's in sports, whether it's in beauty or in entrepreneurship. This series we're going to highlight some of the most amazing women in the Caribbean, and today we're stopping in Jamaica. So Jamaica is one of the most successful countries in the world in the beauty pageant scene. Jamaica has won 4 Miss World pageant over the years since 1963. Jamaica has never won a Miss Universe, but Jamaica is in that category of just a handful of countries that have won the Miss World beauty pageant 4 times. So today we're going to take a look at the history of the Miss World competition and how Jamaica became one of the most successful countries in the world in the Miss World pageant. Let's take a look.
Caribbean Queen, now we're sharing the same dream, and our hearts they're beating one. No more love on the run.
The runner-up to Miss World, Miss New Zealand.
And Miss New Zealand gets £500 and the silver trophy.
And now, a young lady who receives a cheque for £2,500, a screen test by Columbia Pictures, Miss World 1963, Miss Jamaica. Last year's Miss World hands over the crown to her successor. Mr. Alan Fairley presents the trophy. She is now handed her scepter. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us salute Miss World 1963.
Carol Crawford, 81 years old today, was the first woman from the Caribbean to win the Miss World pageant in 1963 when she represented Jamaica. Only 1 year after Jamaica gained independent, she represented Jamaica and she became the first woman in the Caribbean to win that beauty competition. And this year she celebrates her 81st birthday.
Yes, I think this is one of the most popular girls in the whole competition this year, Cindy Breakspeare. 5 feet 5.5 inches tall, certainly a very attractive girl. And her figure is 35, 24, 36. Green swimsuit, offset by the brown hair, matching her green eyes. Miss Jamaica.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Jamaica. Obviously, you speak English too.
Yes, I do.
Can you speak French?
No.
And hablas español?
No, señor.
Oh, well, that's a very good answer. It says here that you jog up and down every morning.
Yeah.
Why do you do that?
Why do I do
Yes.
it? To keep fit.
Well, I can see it works. Apart from yourself, what are the famous sites in Jamaica?
The famous sites. Well, the beaches, we have beautiful mountains, and some other things of historic interest.
You know, I've never been to Jamaica. And do all the girls have green eyes or hazel eyes as you have?
No, they have all different colored eyes.
You know, somebody was telling me that we looked a little bit alike, you and I. But
Thank
yeah,
you,
look.
thank you.
Well, thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Jamaica.
In that famous phrase, I will now announce the results in reverse order. And Miss World 1976 is Miss Jamaica.
And the Royal Albert Hall is in uproar. Incredible. Cindy Breakspeare, the 21-year-old health club operator, gets the sash. I think she's as overwhelmed as anyone. She steps up on stage to receive her prizes, a cheque for £5,000, an evening gown worth about £250, and £20,000 coming her way in the next 12 months.
Sydney Breakspeare, born in Canada, relocated to Jamaica with her family at an early age, became the second woman to win the Miss World, representing Jamaica in 1978. She went on to have a relationship with the reggae icon Bob Marley, and she's the mother of Junior Gong Marley. Today she is 69 and still reside in Jamaica.
Princess and first runner-up is Miss South Africa. Miss World 1993 is Miss Jamaica.
Lisa Hanna became the third woman from Jamaica to have won the Miss World competition when she represented Jamaica in 1993. She went on to represent Jamaica as a diplomat on the international stage. She also had a very successful career in business, and today Lisa Hanna spends her time representing Jamaica as a politician for the People's National Party, where she represents us on the local stage today. That's Lisa Hanna.
Okay, Miss Jamaica.
Hello.
I love Jamaica.
Really?
I
Me
love
too.
Jamaica. My friends, Chris Gale, the cricketer,
Yeah.
Usain Bolt, the sprinter, all my
Okay.
favourite people come from Jamaica. So they'll all be watching, cheering you on.
Hello.
Why should you win? What's special about you?
I think I represent something special. A generation of women that are pushing forward to change the world. I wouldn't say I'm different from any other women on this stage, but I will say that my passion for women and pouring into them and making sure they have the same opportunities that I've had is something that sets me apart.
Who's the most inspiring woman for you in the world?
So you asked me a question to make me cry. Well, okay. The most inspiring woman to me is my mother. Now I must say, if my mother and my father are the roots and I am the tree, then really any work that I do, anything that I'm able to change in the world, it is the fruit of their labor. I have watched her pour everything into me, even at the sacrifice of her own her own wants and her own needs, and that's why I'm able to sit before you today. Thank you. I was told you were going to make me cry, but I didn't think this way.
It took me less than 2 minutes.
And Miss World 2019 is... Jamaica.
Toni-Ann Singh from Jamaica is crowned Miss World 2019.
So Miss World 2019, Toni-Ann Singh, she went on to become the first Miss World to have served 2 terms, 2019 and 2020, due to the lockdown of the entire world because of a pandemic. She went on to pursue her passion, which is music, with a hit single, Popcorn featuring Toni-Ann Singh, Next to Me, which went on to be a mega hit on the international dancehall stage. So that was it. Toni-Ann Singh, Miss World 2019. So guys, if you like content like this, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And this is just the first episode of what I hope to continue in highlighting the queens of the Caribbean. And this episode feature the Jamaica Caribbean Queen, and we took a look at the beauty pageant and the history that Jamaica have made in terms of beauty pageant on the world stage. So remember to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. And remember, peace. I'm out.